Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can already tell from the title, I will be creating this really bronzy look for you guys, and I literally just changed my lip color right now. So at the end of the video it might look a little bit different because I've been trying to switch out different lip colors combos to see what works best with the eyes, and nothing seems to really be hitting. So we're just gonna leave it here. You guys can pretty much create whatever lip you want to do with this eye. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, please keep on watching. Okay you guys, so the lighting was like really bugging me because I'm like, why does it look hecka blue? But I had to change the settings on my camera. I don't know how the settings got switched, but yeah, this looks a lot better. Okay, so now we can keep moving forward. Alright, so my brows are already done. I primed my face. Now I'm just going to go ahead and double prime, and I'm going to use the Smashbox Primer Water. And for foundation today, I'll be using the LA Girl Full Coverage Foundation, and I am in the shade Bronze. I'm just going to take my damp beauty blender and I'm going to go ahead and start blending it in. Alright, for concealer, I'll be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 40. Alright, so I actually am going to highlight, and I'm just going to top it off with the L'Oreal. Got makeup all over my hands. I am going to top it off with the L'Oreal Infallible Long Wear Concealer, Full Wear Concealer in 385. Alright, so I actually have this Anastasia Cream Contour Palette, so I'm just going to dip into it, and it looks like so. And I'm actually going to be using this shade here. If you can see, it's not that dark, so. And that one is called Cinnamon. So now I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the highlight. For some reason my face is looking hella textured today, and I don't know what's going on with that. Usually when you start applying your makeup, you can tell that your face is going to be flawless for the day. Like, I just feel like this process is not going to be a flawless one because I don't know why my face is looking so textured. Anywho, I'm just going to go ahead and set my face with the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder, of course. You guys know I love this stuff. A little bit of setting powder under my eyes. Alright, so I'm just going to dust away the setting powder from my mouth so it don't look so crazy. Alright, so I will be using the Milani Bold Obsessions palette today to create my bronze look, and this is how the palette looks on the inside. It's so beautiful. So I'm using the shades Sweet as Honey and Gold Getter. I'm just going to take a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to go into Sweet as Honey. And I'm also going to darken the outer corner a little bit with Brunettes Have Fun, because this isn't giving me the smoke effect that I'm going for. So by the way, my brows look so bomb. actually haven't done a halo eye in a bit, so I think that's what I want to do. Right, so I'm gonna go for the halo eye. So I'm just gonna do the same in the inner corner, and it doesn't matter if it gets on the lid because I'm gonna cut the crease anyways. So same thing I did on the outer corner. I'm just gonna take that on the inner counter. The inner corner, and just gonna blend in the crease. Make sure I'm just gonna take a this is a BH Cosmetics brush and a 1. This is a clean brush. I'm just gonna keep this brush on handy to blend out the crease. What do you call this? Blend the outer corner. Yep. And I'm not gonna dip this brush in any product. So okay. Now that we have that nice and brown how we want it, I am just going to go in with the shade Brunette Have Fun, just to darken the outer corner and the inner corner to give it a more smoked out look. As I said before, you guys, don't worry about the lid because that's going to get cut and covered with shadow. So, go back in with that clean brush and just blend out the edges. I'm just going to cut the shadow here so it can be nice and clean. So now I'm just going to take my same L'Oreal concealer. I'm going to use this one over the e.l.f. because this one is more of a highlighter, so the shade is brighter, so the color will pop more. Alright, and that should be pretty good. Gonna do the same on the other side. I'm gonna go back into the Milani palette and I'm just going to put this shade on the outer edges. And I might even add little black dress to darken it up some more. Let's see how it's looking. So I am going to put gold glitter in the center. I'm just going to get a little bit of setting spray on there. Alright, I'm just going to use this NYX liquid crystal glitter in the shade in crystal gold to outline the top. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off this eye look, and I'm gonna add some lashes, and the lash style that I'll be using today is by Miss 3D Volume Lash in the style M220, and they look like that. Now that I add lashes, the look isn't completely terrible. Okay you guys, now that the eyes are finally done, I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my face before adding my inner liner, because I am going to add liners in the corner. Bronze up my face, of course I'm going to use my Anastasia bronzer in Cappuccino. only do this for you guys because if I'm going anywhere, like if I'm not filming, I'm not wearing my eyes like this going anywhere because for one, I don't like eyeshadow on a regular day. Like, no, that's like so not me. And for two, my husband hates it too. And for three, I just feel like it just doesn't look as good on me as it does other people. Like when I see other females wearing like bomb eyeshadow looks, I'm like, yes, sis, like, yes, girl, like, but it just does not look the same. And then another reason I don't wear eyeshadow is just because my eyes get so red from it. And I hate when my eyes just look red. So yeah, next I'm just going to go ahead and set my face with my MAC Mineral Light Skin Finish. So this look can look nice and flawless. I actually need to get another one of this. I need to go to MAC. Next time I go to the mall, that's gonna be what I need to get because I don't know what I would do if MAC decides to randomly discontinue this product. Like I would literally have a petition. For blush, I'm not going to do anything too crazy, so I'm just going to use this Pacifica. I'm just going to use this Pacifica blush palette, and I'm just going to go in with this shade here. I'm actually going to blend both. I don't want anything too crazy. Alright, so now I'm just going to set my face, and I'm going to use my Morphe setting mist. Add a little bit of liner in my inner tear duct. And for highlighter, of course, I'm going to be using my ABH Times and Weezy. I'm going to add the tiniest bit, well, maybe a lot, down the bridge of my nose. Blend that in. And I'll literally add the tiniest bit on my cheeks because you guys know I haven't been using a lot of highlighter on my cheeks, so literally the tiniest bit will have to do. And for lips today, I'm going to take my MAC lip pencil in Cork. I'll be using this Maybelline lipstick in the shade 545, which is Beige Babe, and I'm going to be putting this all over. Guys, I want my lips to be glossy, so I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna top it off with my e.l.f. Plumping Gloss in the shade Peach Bellini. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I really do hope that you guys enjoy this look and enjoy, you know, me creating this tutorial for you guys. This lip isn't my preferred lip, but I've tried several different other colors and nothing really seemed to work for me, so I'm just gonna stick with this because this look is mainly about the eyes. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I did upload my pregnancy journey, so if you guys have not seen that video, I will link it down in the description box for you guys to make sure you go ahead and watch it. It is a pretty juicy one, and I get very personal in the video, and I share things with you guys that I've never really told anyone outside of my family. The video was pretty hard for me to film, but I felt like it was necessary to basically explain my absence. To basically explain my absence and just to let you guys know everything that was going on. So if you're interested in watching that video, like I said before, it will be down in the description box for you guys. Disclaimer for the video, I did film the video last year in December, so just keep that in mind. I filmed the video last year December. So in the video I referenced that, you know, some things happened last year, but I was really talking about 2017 because like I said before, I filmed the video last year, December 2018. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. If you are not, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's get your girl to 1,000 subscribers by May, the end of May, if that's possible. Make sure you guys are also following me on all my social media platforms. My Instagram is also Real Olivia Face, and if you want to see more behind the scenes, you can follow me on my Snapchat, which is Bad Gal Valley. Again, I am Olivia Face, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys!